Hey guys, what's up? This is Bharat, you're watching iGyan and it's time for Top Tech. So let's quickly get started. Today we're checking out top tech gadgets and accessories under rupees 2000. If you like top tech videos, don't forget to hit that like button. And top tech products tend to sell out quickly, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. Let's get started with the first product. The first product on our list is this mini wireless keyboard and touchpad. We bought this product for 1490 rupees. This is a wireless keyboard that doubles up as a mouse and can also be used as a wired keyboard and mouse if you so choose to. It has a USB cable that comes inside the box along with a USB transmitter that you can plug into your computer or tablet, and it also works with televisions. So if you have a smart TV around the house and you want a keyboard for it, this is a really nice compact keyboard for it. It has an inbuilt rechargeable battery that will last you many months if you're using it as a keyboard for your television, and it uses RF for the transmission, so it has quite a lot of range as well. Since this is a RF based keyboard and mouse combo, you don't need any kind of software to enable this. It's simply plug and play, and the trackpad also has a multi-touch gesture, so you can scroll with two fingers or double tap to right click, even though you do have individual clicking buttons for your mouse on this device. A well-built keyboard in a small form factor for a good price. Go check this out. Links are in the description below. The next product on our list is the portable UV wand, and considering the condition of the world today, this is a must-have accessory, especially if you have a lot of packages and things coming into your house. This allows you to sanitize and sterilize all products coming into your house without using any kind of sanitizers or harsh chemicals directly on the product. You can also sanitize your keys, your smartphone, and even your car without needing to spray it with alcohol or any kind of chemical and wipe it down. It is in the UVC range of the visible spectrum that will kill all viruses and bacteria, and it also works in the current pandemic situation. We bought it for a price of $16.99 and we've been using it ever since we've had it. Never look directly at the light, but this is a fantastic product to have. It comes with a rechargeable battery and a micro USB cable to charge it up. It also has a dial to increase or decrease the brightness of the light. So if you do have a larger surface area, you can increase the brightness of the UV light. Definitely go check this out. It is a must-have accessory in the current situation. Next up on our list is this USB powered cup warmer for your desk. Now this is a really cool accessory. Not only does it come with a coffee cup, a lid and a spoon, which is a added bonus, but for a price of rupees 899, this is a 55-degree cup warmer. So what this accessory does is that you plug it in to a USB port and it warms up the plate, and then you make a hot cup of coffee and it will keep it at 55 degrees, which is an ideal temperature for coffee or tea, and it will keep that drink at that temperature for long periods of time as long as it's plugged in. It does take a while to heat up the plate, so make sure you give it ample time to heat up before you start placing your drinks on it. But once you do, it warms up the plate and the cup quite nicely and it'll keep it warm. It won't heat up your drinks from scratch, but it'll keep your drinks warm for long periods of time. It's a nice looking accessory and it's well built. It also has a sensor in it so that when you lift up the cup, the plate automatically turns off, and that is something that is nice. So in case you forget to turn it off, it will automatically turn off. Go check this out, links are in the description below. Next up on our list is this 2-in-1 Bluetooth transmitter and receiver. Now this is a compact accessory that we bought for rupees 459. This tiny USB dongle comes with an auxiliary cable and allows you to make all your non-Bluetooth devices into Bluetooth devices. So that means that if you have a really nice pair of retro speakers that you want to convert them into Bluetooth speakers, you can do that with this simple accessory, and it comes handy in receiver mode. But if you have a television and you want to connect Bluetooth headphones to it, you can do that. As you put this in transmitter mode, it'll connect automatically with your headphones and allow you to listen to audio from a non-smart television via Bluetooth headphones. All you need to do is make sure your television has an auxiliary headphone out jack, and that's it. You can plug in the USB into a power bank or into a wall outlet if your television doesn't have a USB port. A fantastic accessory to have. It can come in handy in your car, in your home, in your office, even in your living room. Definitely go check this out, and it's really cheap at just 459 rupees. Next up on our list is this Bluetooth pad come wireless charger combo that is a Amazon Launchpad exclusive. This is a really cool accessory to have on your desk. This has a wireless charger inbuilt, and it does support 10 watt charging as well as 7.5 watt charging for iPhones, and you can connect the handset via Bluetooth to your smartphone, so you can use it as a desk phone so that you're not constantly picking up your phone, and it can be on the wireless charging pad. It also reduces radiation that you get directly from the phone if that's something that you're worried about. More importantly, this has a good Bluetooth range, and the earphone and the microphone are adequate for taking calls indoors. No problems with that whatsoever. And the range is about 10 meters from the smartphone. It also has a USB port in case you want to plug in a cable and charge your devices like that. A cool accessory to have on your desk. Go check this out. Next up on our list are the stereo gaming speakers. We bought these for $1,129. The cool thing about these USB powered stereo speakers is that you can attach them together to convert it into a single soundbar. They do have an auxiliary input along with a mic input that does convert into a front output for headphones as well as a mic input jack. The speakers themselves have 3-watt drivers along with red LED lights and a volume knob to increase or decrease the volume directly on the speakers. For the price, they are really impressive speakers as far as build quality is concerned and the overall design is concerned. They'll go well with a gaming setup as long as you can have red LEDs in there. The speakers themselves have a flat sound stage and a good amount of volume. You do not get a lot of bass from these speakers, but they have ample volume and the clarity is really on point. They are an over-ear style earphones, and they do have comfortable cushions on the headband as well on the ear cups. The cable is 3 meters long and the audio quality of these headphones is surprisingly good. You do have ample amounts of bass. Now next up on our list is this 25mm macro lens. This comes in a really nice case. It is a macro lens that you can attach via a clip that is included onto any lens of your smartphone to convert that into a macro lens. Now typically on smartphones, the macro lenses that you get nowadays are usually 2 megapixels or 5 megapixels, so you can't really use them for higher resolution shots. But if you want to use your main camera for macro capabilities, you simply attach this lens onto your main camera and then you can get higher resolution macro shots. It also comes with a lens hood, which is the minimum focusing distance for this lens as well, and with that you can get really precise macro shots, and the hood also allows to soften out the light so that you get a better picture. A really cool accessory to have whether you're getting macro photographs or video, and the quality of the lens, the build material and the overall product itself is really high quality. It's made out of aluminum and has high quality lenses, and the clips have rubber on all the touch points so that your smartphones don't get scratched. A really high end accessory to get. Definitely go check this out. Now next up on our list is something that will offer up more cable management. Now this is a desk organizer or a cable organizer channel, and this is priced at only $199. The good thing about this is that it is available in multiple colors, so whatever your setup is, you can use this to clean up the wire mess. It's a simple plastic channel that comes in 2 pieces. One is the base and the other is a cover. You can attach it via double-sided tape or directly screwing it into your surface and then basically route cables through it and then cover it up. You can use multiple if you have a long cable output need, and at just $199, this is fairly low price and will help you organize your cables and clean up your setup. Definitely go check this out. Links in the description below. Next up on our list is this RGB headphone stand. We bought this for rupees 1,690. Now this has quite a lot of features. It has a basic headphone stand that allows you to mount any kind of headphones on your desk, so it works as a headphone stand. But then if you look closely, this does have a USB-C input on the back that once you connect a USB-C cable with your PC, your laptop or even a power bank, this will light up the base of the headphone stand and give you RGB lighting. So if you have an RGB setup, this will go well with that. It has 10 RGB modes. The overall brightness and the vividness of the light is quite nice and it looks good on the desk. The third feature that this has is that it works as a USB hub. So it does have 4 USB ports, 2 on either side and 2 behind this cover that is on the front of the headphone stand. A really cool accessory to get. Go check this out. Links are in the description below. The next product on our list is this Audio-Technica lapel microphone. This is a really must-have accessory because a lot of people are working from home and they don't really have good quality microphones. This one is a really high quality lapel microphone which is also powered, so you need to pop in LR44 batteries in there to power this microphone up. It has an omnidirectional polar pattern, which means that it has a really nice audio pickup as long as you're in a relatively quiet or indoor environment. The cable is quite long with 20 feet in length, and it does have a 3.5mm headphone jack which can be plugged directly into your laptop. The sensitivity of this microphone is 54 decibels and has an impedance of 1000 ohms, so it has a good audio pickup and it gives you a nice fuller sound. Here is a sample that we recorded directly from this microphone. So this is an audio sample from the Audio Technica microphone, just to make you understand what this microphone sounds like. So that completes the list, but wait, there is a bonus item this time around. The bonus product is this really cool USB powered UV light enabled mosquito catcher. This is a really simple accessory that will allow you to capture mosquitoes. To get rid of them, simply plug this in. Make sure your room is relatively dark so you can use it at night, and simply plug it into a USB port and it will start attracting mosquitoes and then sucking them in via the fan and collecting them on the bottom. This way they're not being burnt or zapped with those UV zappers, and it collects the mosquitoes in the box in the bottom, and then you can empty them out at a later time. A really simple accessory to have. It doesn't make any noise. It's relatively quiet with the fan in there as well, and you can easily have it in your bedroom or your living room. And this is a non-chemical way or a non-electric way with respect to killing the mosquito to capture them. If you're interested in the product, go check it out. Links to all the products featured in this video are in the description below. If you guys didn't already like the video, go ahead and click that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyan, and the bell notification icon if you haven't already subscribed, and hit the bell notification icon. You are really missing out on some of the cool updates that we are going to be pushing out in the coming weeks. So do that right now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.